Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. I used to think that the only way I could go out to dinner and actually enjoy myself and indulge, but still stay lean, was to basically starve myself all day long. But that is so wrong. So let's spend the day together. I wanna show you exactly what and how I eat throughout the day on a busy weekend so I can actually enjoy my date night guilt-free and stay lean. No, I'm not skipping meals or stressing about every single calorie, but I do have a really specific way I eat on days like this to make sure I can actually go have burgers and fries and pizzas and enjoy myself guilt-free without gaining any weight. If you like seeing what I eat in days like this, sweat the thumbs up. That just means give it a click. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I have new videos every single week sharing my health and fitness journey to help you with yours. And you guys, I do giveaways every week for my subscribers. All you have to do is be subscribed and drop a comment each week. I share it over in the post right here, and this week could be you. And make sure you stick around because later in the video, I'm gonna show you a brand new product that I've been working on for almost 2 years that no one has seen. I've kind of hinted at it, but not fully, so I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek.
What are you getting for breakfast right now?
Eggs and toast.
Eggs and toast? Is Mama making you something else too?
Yeah.
What is it? Oh, it's right there.
Smoothie.
A smoothie she is? Wow, lucky guy.
With that.
What flavor protein do you want, bud?
Has it.
Chocolate?
Chocolate?
Ooh.
Wow.
You trying to protein bulk up there, sir?
Good job, that's perfect.
Wow.
Not too much, Dada.
Not too much, just right.
So before you ask, no, this is not our new kitchen. We are still at Ryan's parents' house. This is their beautiful kitchen. Hopefully we'll be in our new kitchen in the next week, but it's been nice having a space so we can actually still stick to healthy meals and we're not having to order takeout constantly or anything else. But we pretty much have the same exact breakfast every single day. I know I've shared this, but this guy has lost, what, 35 or 40 pounds now?
It's probably 40 pounds of fat, but 35 pounds of weight.
And he's
Crazy.
gained a ton of muscle, and now he's on like a bulking, like just really like trying to like
Which
stay
is
lean.
so weird. I'm trying to like actually add weight. I've never
Add
done
a lot
that
of
in my
muscle.
life.
I know. I'm like, I don't know that world. Go for it. I'm always trying to stay lean, but he's really focused on that, and he has been eating this breakfast every single day. It looks so basic. I try to sneak spinach in there for him.
I really like it.
Even with like, no
It's
matter
just
what our
4 eggs
circumstance.
and 2 slices of sourdough with some butter. I sometimes eat some spinach with it.
He does sometimes.
Yes.
This morning I said, you should probably have asparagus.
One of those days where you're not feeling the thing, you know? That's what it is.
Yeah, yours just looks so boring, but I know it's good.
It's a lot of egg.
And then I did 2 eggs, 2 whole eggs. I usually will do egg white too, but I actually decided not to right now. I do a little papaya for my digestion and my greens. So I'm going light on my carbs. I'm not really having a lot or any like main carbs this morning, just some fruit because I know I'm going to be eating a lot more. So I want to stick with the protein, and I think I'm going to have a little smoothie after this.
I just realized now I probably need to adjust for later today too, but...
You're in your bulking phase.
That's
just keep
true.
going.
That's true.
You know, whether you're trying to lose fat, if you're trying to gain more muscle, whatever it is, if you can set your foundation every day to be relatively the same, my mental state and for ease and everything, and to actually get results, it is nice just to kind of keep it the same.
So much easier. I feel like you start to make little changes here and you add a little bit there, and it's easier to get off track.
Yeah.
But when I know this thing fits in the exact thing I want and I like the food,
Right.
then it just makes sure that I guarantee I'm getting the right amount of food for what I need.
With that.
That's a tissue.
With that.
Oh, those are mommy's special digestive enzyme, no bloat stuff.
They're writing in them.
Yeah, it's like vitamins.
That's writing in them.
For mama. It's like 3 something. We have not eaten yet. This morning's gotten so busy. Ryan's been running around. I had to drive down to Carlsbad because Luke was going to spend the night with my parents. So
I got a dishwasher.
anyway, needless to say, we're hungry. So hungry. The restaurant we're going to for dinner tonight for our date night, I know I'm gonna have cocktails. They have the most amazing fries, like truffle fries that I kind of want to get. During the days, like I said, I am not about like, okay, I'm gonna have this many extra calories because it's gonna be a lot of extra calories tonight, I'm sure. So I'm gonna cut stuff out. No. The only thing I do adjust really is my carbs. So I did a whole video on carbs and how important they are for weight loss, and they are. But on days like today, I try to focus on getting them from my fruits, my veggies, versus like starchy carbs, adding breads, adding pastas, rices. I kind of ditch those from my meals because I know I'm gonna get more later. And then I am really strategic with how I order my dinner and how I eat my dinner, the order I eat it in, to make sure that I'm able to digest it best and metabolize the fats and proteins and everything. So let's make lunch. Since Ryan is like bulking right now, he's trying to put on more mass and muscle. We're super precise to make sure he's getting plenty of protein, and he eats so much. It's like what, 220 grams, 25 grams?
225 at lunch, yeah, it's a lot.
But I'm trying to stay lean, keep my body really nice and lean, even while indulging and going out. So especially on weekends, I actually do like to weigh and measure my food, specifically my protein, to make sure I'm hitting 140 grams, because that is the key. Like, I am not gonna sacrifice that protein when I'm going out. I wanna make sure it is high. That's gonna help me with how my body stores fat and stuff as well.
This is a good example of how you can eat the same thing for different goals.
Yeah. Is that your vegetable?
That's all I could find. I don't really have anything
Just
else.
a sprinkle of carrot shreds?
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
Sorry.
Get some greens. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. There you go. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. You know, the big thing I realized, like, as I eat food like this, was that it's not all that different than what I was eating when I gained a bunch of weight, but literally just the amounts that I was eating was causing me to gain weight. Yeah, you gotta be precise with it, which is why the meal plan's great, which is why any kind of meal plan is really great.
Especially when you're first starting out, but even like when life is busy, like we are just in such a busy season as new parents, and like during my pregnancy, I think that you were taking on so much for work too, to like help lighten my load. I talked about this in last week's video about the 9 mistakes that I made that most people make. Like, healthy food doesn't mean it's gonna be low calorie, doesn't mean you're gonna lose weight, right? Especially I think it's easy with the dressings and olive oils and stuff that just add up to excess so quickly. So we are working on some new flavors for you guys. It's protein. We may go in a lot of directions. This one is one that I am determined to get right. I want it so bad for you. I want it so bad for myself, but it just hasn't been right yet.
We go through many samples every time, so it does take time to get it just right. It still has, I don't want to say exactly what it has too much of, but it has too much of the forward-facing thing. I'd like that to be less.
I'm half ready for the day. I need to finish getting ready because I'm taking Luke down to my parents' house so Ryan and I can go on our date night tonight. He's gonna have a little slumber party with his cousins. It's gonna be great. One of the other things I was thinking about that I always do when I am focused on getting lean, staying lean, wanting my body composition to change, you have to make sure that you are getting the right micronutrients. So all your vitamins and minerals. I think we neglect that part of it sometimes. We think about just the food and making sure we're sleeping and working out, but those micronutrients really impact our hormones. They impact how our body stores fat, metabolizes fat. Like, it is really, really important. So I've been doing these gem bites, you guys. I've showed you these before. I've always taken so many different types of vitamins and I love a lot, but these ones are great because they are real food, nutrient dense bites. This is the citrus ginger. These are like my go-tos, probably my favorite, but I also just tried these ones, which are energy caffeinated and like energy aid caffeinated bites. They're more of like a chocolate sea salt. So now I don't know which one's my favorite. The biggest struggle for me is actually only having the serving because they're really yummy and I want to eat more of them. But this is some of what you can expect in them. They have pumpkin seeds, turmeric, citrus, prebiotics, probiotics, mushrooms, chickpeas, black pea or black pepper, quinoa, B vitamins, like sunflower, real food in these perfect bites. You can actually feel like you're eating something, getting a treat, but you're getting all of your nutrients. I've gotten Ryan eating these. My family orders and eats them now, and so many of you girls have tried them and love this ginger citrus one. So if you haven't tried them yet, they have a special offer off your first month. I'll put a link down below if you want to check them out. And if you're someone who just struggles to get your nutrients in any other way, Just makes it easy because we all love to eat. We have a faucet.
Faucet in our new sink.
Woo! We're so close. Like, I'm most excited because we're gonna have reverse osmosis water in our sink. I hate cold water and I hate how long it takes in the fridge. I gotta get ready. I'm mid getting ready. I did not get to dry my hair today, so it's just kind of a frizzy mess. And I had that super secret protein for my protein instead of making a whole shake today. Ryan is gonna make his protein shake right now because he went and worked out. I like rarely ever skip a workout. I honestly couldn't tell you the last time I skipped a workout, but I did today because I was busy and it's okay. And tomorrow I was gonna take more of an active rest day. I'm gonna work out tomorrow instead. So here's his cute baby cereal.
Your baby cereal.
Baby rice cereal for his carbs.
It's really a perfect, beautiful carb. It makes the smoothie taste so good and it's more digestible. We got one banana, we got the baby rice cereal.
And this is your special LSF protein combo, right?
We do the chocolate protein. So you do 1 scoop of the chocolate protein, half a scoop of the peanut butter.
My arm's tired.
It's like a peanut butter chocolate banana shake and it's so good.
We have literally not stayed in our own house in 5 weeks, but we came back because I didn't really have like going out date night dinner clothes at Ryan's parents' house. A little date night fit. But I want to show you guys a quick glimpse of the kitchen because
so exciting.
I can't wait to cook in here and like do a wedding in a day in our own kitchen.
Long time.
So long. All right. You guys. Okay, so this is all new. I've shown you this kind of as it's coming. I know it's a little dark in here, but you can see the countertops. There's no hardware or anything yet, but it's slowly coming together. It's gonna be a big push out open window with a countertop that goes outside for our entertaining and stuff. Oh, it's gonna be amazing. I wanted to check in from last night because it was so loud in the restaurant. I couldn't really like break down what we were actually eating and doing. But the way that I eat when we go out, I think Ryan and I found such a great way like sharing too to make sure that I can like indulge. I got a burger, I ate fries, I did all that. I got a cocktail, but I don't leave feeling gross. And obviously the brand new secret product that you guys saw in there has helped so much. I eat it with pretty much every single meal, like especially big ones, especially if I'm going out. And I don't remember a time where I went home not feeling bloated or woke up in the morning that the castor oil patch like is just crazy. So this is just so exciting. We have never done a capsule before. I worked on the formulation of this to make sure it helped you digest fats, proteins, carbs, really allow for your body to work for you and reduce the bloating with so many incredible digestive enzymes and natural herbs in there. So I'll let you know as soon as it's available. If you want to be the first to know, if you want to learn more about it, I'll put a link down below. Just hit that link, drop your email, and you will be on the list. Anyway, I hope you guys like seeing this, what I eat in a day on a weekend, and hopefully it made it a little bit easier for you to understand, like focus on those proteins first and foremost all day long. Make sure you're getting plenty of proteins so you're full and satiated and you don't go into the night starving and then overdoing it. It allows you to be a lot more mindful and really eat better portions when you are eating out. That's definitely like been the key for me. If you guys did like this video, sweat the thumbs up. Again, just give it a little click. Make sure you're subscribed and drop your email so you are the first to know when Bloat Be Gone launches this spring. All right, I love you guys. I cannot wait to share more with you soon. Bye.